Morning. Am I audible to you guys? Okay, yes. Today we will just see some more examples from file. Otherwise, theory portion is already over. Now it's just your part to do as many programs as you can for your practice. Let me share my screen first. Hope you can see the screen. So this is just another program. And in this program, we are going to keep the student records and store it in a file. It's just like normal one. Okay. If you want to keep records of more than one students, maybe two, or then this is one way, then you can also use like structures also. Okay. So let's run this program. So what's happening here? We are just taking array for the name, then the marks, and file pointer. So this is the file we are going to create. If that file is not in my folder yet, so it will simply create a file from me. Because remember, it's like both way. You can either write into an existing file, or it can also create a new file if it doesn't exist. Okay, so okay, no error. Okay, number of students, just keep 2. Name, Jane, Marks, 45, Jerry, and 66. Okay, so these are the information I just saved in my folder. So let's see if I have it. So there's the student txt created. So these are the information I just saved. Okay. Simple. So in this way, you can just store all your data or information or record in a text file saved into your computer or laptop. So later on, if you want to append more data, you can just put it like A. So we can try that one too. Let's try A. Oops, different. This time I want to add two more students. Name XYZ. Okay, so let's see the file again. Okay, so these are the appended lists. Okay, so if you already have a file, then it will just append it. And if you don't have the file, it will just create one for you. Okay, so I hope it's clear to you guys. Then I keep another program for you guys. Let's see. It's with the fputs function. Last time put s. Okay, so what it will do, it will simply write the whole string. Put c function, fputc function, just write one character at a time, and put s just write whole string together. And f get s means it will take the string or read the string at a time. That's the difference between the get s and get c. For the get c and put c, we saw the examples yesterday. So today just showing the put s one. Okay, so it will create a text my file to text. Okay, turning word, yeah, first. Okay, well, okay, it should be done. So just in one go, I just wrote the whole string into a file named my file to txt. It's fine, my file to txt. So okay, hello C program is already there. Okay, so let's delete it again. I deleted the file, so if I compile again, so it should create the file for me. My file too. Okay, so here's the file again. Okay. So that's an example for put S. If you write C, then means it will just write one character at a time. You can try. Let's see, we try with put S. Okay. Warning, put makes integer from pointer. Yes, of course, we will get warning. Okay, let's see what's happening here. Okay, just one. That is too, it's not like readable form. Okay. Okay, next program we want to try with f gets. Okay, so previous one we just wrote it and now we will get it. again actually. So this time I'm just going to read it. Some things are obsolete now, like clear skin and all, get CH. So just maintain a standard format to use int main function and return 0. Okay, whenever you open a file, always close the file. So this is the file. Using the f get s, we are going to read it. Okay, so it is showing the content of that file. Okay, okay, let's see the last program. Okay, this time we will see a function using C. Anyone remembers what seek function does? Anyone what seek function does? This particular fseek? Anyone? Set the file pointer to the given position. Correct. So using the fseek, we can just set the file pointer to a specific location. And for that, again for fseek function, we have three new things. So, okay, so for fseek, we have another like where we want to set the offset or the location. We have three values: seek, set, okay, secure, and seek end. Okay, so these are the things we can use. Okay, so f this set function will denote starting of the file. Okay, okay, then your this one will denote the current position. Okay, file to current position. And N will simply denote the end of the file. Okay. So normal syntax, you can say like in FC, then you are going to have the file pointer, then you can just put the offset, then in position. This is the normal, some of the parts you can skip. Okay. So pointer is just the file pointer, then offset is the number of bytes to offset from the position, and the position is the from where the offset is added. Okay. So it will simply move the file pointer associated with the given file to a specific location, and with the help of these three settings or three values, you can set the location. Okay. Set means starting of the file, Q means current position, and N means it will be the end of the file. Okay, there are too many tabs open here. So let's see what's happening here. So again, this one is just creating one file. I want to write plus. That means it is open for both reading and writing. Okay. So using the F codes, I am just writing it, the hello world. Then using the fsig, I just set the pointer to the 7. See, 6 set I have used. That means it should be like the offset of 7 should be the starting of the point. Okay, next I want to write f puts you are awesome. So if we run this program, okay, let's see my file.txt. My file.txt. Okay. Hello, W, then you are awesome. So can you see what is happening here? So if you count, see my first line I wrote is the hello world. Then using the fsig function, that means you just set the location where you want to write the next line. Next line is the you are awesome. And here I have set the offset. Remember from here the syntax is you have to give the file pointer, then offset, then the position using this location. Okay. So here S is the offset from where I want to start the next one. Okay. So that's why if you count it, hello 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. White space is also counted. Remember? So 7. So after 7th word, this line you are awesome has been appended. Okay, got the functionality of fsig. What it does, fsig. So I wrote the line actually hello world. Then I use the fsig, then I just wrote another line you are awesome. Then I said that location should be from the this point set in starting. I will write from the start, and the offset will be the 7. That whatever line is written here from after the 7th position, it will write the next line. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So after 7, it just wrote the next line. You are awesome. clear with fseek function? Okay. Let's see what will be the output if we change certain variable. Just delete this file. No need to delete actually, it will just overwrite anyways. I want to put it at n. Location is 8. Let's see what will happen. I see it. So see, after end of the one, it just wrote your line. Okay. So it didn't wait for the offset, but instead it just took the last location, means end of the file, and printed your line. Okay. So you can just try different things and see how it might come up. Okay, nothing changed. So I guess doesn't matter this part. Okay, no change. So in both cases, it just showing the current location. So after this, one will start. Okay. So that's the thing we learn. So for the file part, at least you should have the general idea how, means you open a file, you can read and write in the file, then open file, and just doing anything, just remember to close the file. Okay, so here after 8 location, now I'm writing. Wow, awesome. The space between them is due to the end of the file. For this particular file, the end of the file may be after that amount of space. Okay, that's why the space. And moreover, the end ones normally set the location to the end of the file, right? So that's the location of the end of the file. That's why the gap. So if you set it like this, now it's written like this after 8 position. Okay, for the 6th set. Okay, these are just functionalities of some of the functions, but anyways, all the functions are not that important for all our things. So that's it. So we have seen for most of the functions how it works. F close, F open, then read write append mode, then W plus mode, then F puts, F gets, F puts C, F gets C, F seek, and so on. So you can just try out any other programs with where you can involve just other functions. So that's it. That's all for the file. most of the times we never reach, means as per the other faculties, we never reach to the 5 part. Anyways, we completed this time. So your course is officially finished. I'm stop sharing and take the attendance, and I have lots of work today. Okay, switch on your videos. Switch on your videos. Fast, fast. I have to go. What happened to others? Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students are active. Okay, so from next week, I'll just ask anyone any questions. So you have to just open your, switch on your videos, then answer the questions. Okay. So I'm in a hurry today.
What you said?
Sorry,
What you said? Can you repeat again, please?
কি কলা?
না আপনি এতিয়া যি ক'লে এটা এবাৰ ৰিপিট কৰিব নেকি?
মই কৈছো only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ছটা ষ্টুডেণ্টৰ ভিডিঅ' দেখি আছো. I don't know what about the others. So from next week, I'll ask someone questions. It can be anyone. Means we will start from unit 1. It will be a revision session. I'll ask question. You guys have to switch on your videos and give answer. Okay. So মোৰ আজি দৌৰা-দৌৰি ঢেৰ কাম আছে।
মেম ভিডিঅ' অন কৰিছো কিন্তু ভিডিঅ'টো যোৱা নাই।
আচ্ছা হ'ব, ঠিক আছে। নেক্সট উইকৰ পৰা এজনকে ভিডিঅ' অন কৰিম, তেতিয়া অন হ'লে হ'ল। Okay, anyways, thanks everyone.
Yeah, ma'am.
I'm leaving.